Hey guys, it's me again. Today I'm going to be showing you another DVD and the last DVD of the day that I got in CEX Andrada. So here it is. It's called Hit Favorite Spooky Collection. I know my friend Miles has it, and I finally have it now, which is great. Here's the characters: Pingu, Bob, Mr. Wobbly, I don't know, Fireman Sam, Thomas the Tank Engine, and Barney, which, screw that dinosaur. But if you like Barney, I respect your opinion, and I'm neutral to Wobbly Land. So yeah, it's the front, spine, and the back. Here's the episodes, which I'm not going to read them, and the special features. And let me get the disc. Hold on. Yeah. Yeah, the reason why I got this DVD is because we're almost near Halloween, which is going to be next month. And it's great. So that's all for now. Stay tuned for some more videos coming up soon. And this is me signing off.